Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, which has just launched, comes with a telephoto camera for the first time in the Note series, an IP69 waterproof rating, Gorilla Glass Victus protection, a new design, a big battery, and more. Friends, today I'll be giving you an in-depth review of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, which has just been launched. Hey guys, it's Maiky from techmaiky. Please subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon for more great tech videos. The back of the phone is protected by Gorilla Glass 7i, and it has water ripple-like textures on the back, which makes it look quite eye-catching. The camera module is circular but inside a square shape, and this time it also includes a telephoto lens. All three lenses are covered with a single piece of glass. There's a metal frame around the camera module, which comes with a textured design, but the rest of the phone's frame is made of plastic. The top of the phone has a frosted matte finish, giving it an aluminum-like feel. At the top, you'll find an IR blaster, a top-firing speaker, and a secondary noise cancellation mic. At the bottom, there's a bottom-firing speaker, a Type-C port, the primary microphone, and the SIM tray, but there's no 3.5mm headphone jack. The SIM tray has a rubber ring because the phone has the highest level of IP rating. Let me know in the comments what you think of the phone's design. Also, tomorrow I'll be uploading the unboxing and review video of the Redmi Note 14 Pro. So subscribe and join our tech team to watch it first. The phone comes with a large 6200 mAh battery, so it's a bit heavy, weighing around 210 grams, and has a thickness of 8.66 millimeters. Despite this, it has a good grip because of the curved front and back. Speaking of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus display, it features a 6.67-inch OLED screen with a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The bezels are similar to the ones on the 13 Pro Plus. The curved screen gives the phone a decent look, and it also makes swiping from the side feel smoother. In the brightness test, the phone reaches up to 522 nits of manual brightness and 173 nits of auto brightness. It also comes with 19920 Hz PWM dimming. As for the battery, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus has a 6200 mAh battery, which is a high-density silicon carbon anode battery, meaning it takes up less space while offering more capacity. The phone supports 90 watts charging, and the battery life is quite strong. You can check the battery life in the phone's settings, and on a full charge, it can last up to 32 hours. This is because the phone has a low-power processor. You can also check the battery health in the settings. It takes about 48 minutes to charge the battery from 1% to 100%, and in just 20 minutes, it charges up to 49%. This time, the processors in the 14 Pro and 14 Pro Plus have been switched between the two models. This time, the phone comes with a Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor, while the Pro version has a Dimensity processor. In the Antutu score, it goes over 750,000 points. You can also check the Geekbench 6 scores for single-core and multi-core performance. For gaming, there's a performance mode that you can turn on while playing. In this mode, you can play King of Glory at the highest settings with 120 FPS. After playing for 40 minutes, the average frame rate is around 170.58 FPS, which is great. In PUBG Mobile, you can play at HDR HD+ settings, but you can only play at HDR. Even so, the performance is good. After 40 minutes of gaming, the average frame rate is around 59.19 FPS. However, in the heavy game Genshin Impact, after 40 minutes of play, the average frame rate drops to 39.22 FPS, and you might notice a lot of frame drops. So, if you do medium gaming, you'll get good performance. But if you're a heavy gamer, this phone may not be the best choice for you. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus has received many upgrades in its camera this time. It features a primary 50-megapixel OmniVision camera sensor, a secondary 50-megapixel Samsung JN1 telephoto camera, and an 8-megapixel Sony IMX355 ultra-wide camera. Having a telephoto camera is a significant addition. For selfies, there's a 20-megapixel camera. You can see sample photos here, and the image quality is quite decent. The video quality is also good, but it only supports up to 4K at 30 FPS. phone has a waterproof rating of IP66, IP68, and IP69, which means you can keep it in 2 meters of water for a whole day. It can also withstand high temperatures and high-pressure sprays. Both sides of the phone use Gorilla Glass. The front has Gorilla Glass Victus, and the back has Gorilla Glass 7i, making it more resistant to falls. This is Xiaomi's first rugged phone. Additionally, the phone features stereo speakers for a better multimedia experience. It also supports an IR remote, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC. The phone has an under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric security, but it's placed quite low. Compared to the Redmi 13 Pro Plus, there are significant changes this time, like the addition of the telephoto camera, which was unexpected, and the highest IP rating. Gorilla Glass Victus is also used. However, there hasn't been much improvement in performance, but it's sufficient for daily use. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus starts at 1899 Chinese yuan in China, which is around £205 in the UK and about $268 in the USA. This phone may launch by December. In conclusion, if you want a good multimedia experience and plan to use your phone a bit roughly, this phone is a great choice because of its IP rating. However, if you're into gaming, this phone may not be the best option for you. So friends, what do you think of the design of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus? Which feature do you like best, and what price do you think it should launch at in India? Please let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you with the latest tech updates next time. Have a great day, and keep smiling.